name is Pitch Black. What is up, everyone? My name is Daryl Arante, and for today's video, I'm gonna walk you guys through on how to assemble and install the guard blinds from Guard Company. Guard Blinds, or Guard, is a company that sells custom blackout blinds designed to block all light entering a room with the goal of helping people sleep better, create dark and calm indoor environments. The products feature a patented track and double layer honeycomb fabric that aims to eliminate light leaks more effectively than traditional blackout curtains or blinds. So yeah, that's pretty much a summary, and if you see my intro, I think you already know the result of this. But anyways, let's scrap this crap out. Let's go ahead and walk you through it. All right, I'm in my basement right now, and this is where I spend the most of my time watching movies or TV shows, where I literally sit down my ass on the couch and just watch movies the whole time. And this is the first window that we're gonna do. It's a smaller one than my office, but the problem is, it's when I watch movie, there's still light coming in. And let me show you guys right now. Let me turn off the light. See, there's still light coming in. So we'll see if the guard will do the magic to make it completely dark. So let's go ahead and start the assembly. All right, so here comes all the parts from the guard blind. So we have this frames, or actually the blind itself, part of the frames, the weather strip, and the brush strip. And I'm assuming inside here are the screws and the corner caps. So let's go ahead and do the installation. All right, I'm getting ready to install the blinds. I did not take out the previous blind, mainly because the blind is so far up by the window, so I have so much space actually. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this. Let's hope it works. Let's hope it fits. It's really tight. So I'm just gonna get a hammer because right now it's tight, which is a good thing because you don't want your blinds to be loose. And right now I don't see any lights coming in. I'm not gonna use this metal part because I might break it, so I'm just gonna use the rubber part. Yep, that was a really tight installation, but it works out so well because, let me just grab the phone. Because right now, you could barely see any light coming in. And let me just open this up. Yeah, it's a basement window. This was kind of dirty. Anyways, let's go ahead and turn the lights off. Damn, that is completely dark. I'm gonna turn it off and put the blind up. Yeah, I don't know where I'm walking, but shoot. And yep, that's what it looks like. Amazing. All right, guys, now we are in my office room, and this is the blind that I'm going to replace with a guard blind. So you can see there's a lot of lights coming in, even though that is, let's make sure that it's completely shut off. Yep. This blind is completely shut off, obviously, but if I open it, more light coming in, and it's not completely blackout. So we're gonna do the same process, same installation. It should be easier with the second one in comparison to the first one because have to pause, watch a video, and watch the instruction and all the stuff. But this time, it looks like I got it. So let's go ahead and replace this blind. Okay, in the basement, I didn't have to remove the older blind because I have so much space to install the guard blinds. But this one, even though I just installed this 2 years ago, I'm pretty much have to remove it. All right, this is my bare window right now. Obviously, it took up the older blind, so let's go ahead and put this guard blind. And once again, let's hope for the best. All right, it looks like I fit it in there. I think it's time for hammer. Well, folks, I did it. All right, moment of truth. It's cloudy outside, but you can still see the light, the daylight. And let's go ahead and test this guard 2 blinds. Damn, it's pitch black. All right, let's open it. Wow. There's darkness right there. All right, I finished insulating both in my basement and my office room, and honestly, I am impressed. Like, it just totally gave me a blackout. Now, I can't tell about the noise reduction because in my community, it's so quiet in here, so there's really no need to. The thermal, I can't really test that out yet because it's still cold season, but assembling it, installing it is super easy. Well, mainly assembling it if you pay attention watching the tutorial video in their website. Installing, I mean, as you can see, I had a hard time putting it in. Again, if you measured it exactly, it would give you that tight space to install your guard blinds. That's just how it is. And again, it's effective that way, so there's no light leak at all. Overall, I am very impressed of the guard 2 blinds. I mean, it gave me a total blackout room. There's no light leakage. Easy to assemble. And again, installation is pretty easy. Okay, I forgot to mention the price, but it looks like it's starting from $236, which again, I think if that is work for me, I can't really tell because I don't know the other competitors. Like if there's I'm pretty sure there's other company that provides blackout curtains or blinds, but I can't speak of them. But what I can tell you right now, from my own personal experience, guard blind 2 is definitely a must, and I highly recommend for those of you who are looking for blackout blind to fully darkening your room. So folks, that's my video of how to assemble and install guard 2 blinds from guards. Hopefully you guys like this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up and subscribe. As always, just stay safe, stay stylish. You all have a good one. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.